Hi everyone and welcome to today's Qigong practice. This Qigong flow is designed to open the chest, stretch the arms and improve flexibility. Gentle back twists are great for circulation and promote a healthy energy flow up and down the spine. Let's begin. Stand up nice and tall, take a nice deep inhale through the nose, exhale out through the mouth. The first movement is called turning the body to look at the moon. Inhale in through the nose, exhale out through the mouth, and bend forward following the hands, palm facing down. Make the fingers into loose fists and slowly raise up. Push the elbows back to open the chest, squeezing the shoulder blades together. Turn your hips and your torso to the left, extend the right arm out. Turn to the other side and go back as far as you feel comfortable, stretching the chest and the shoulders even further. Release the position, come back and press upward, palm facing up, lengthening through the arm upward. Relax the muscles and lower the hand down. Repeat the same on the other side. When you stretch your arm out, observe the feeling of tension. When you release, notice a comfort of relaxation. This process of tensing and releasing allows you to experience how tension and relaxation actually feel. Relax the hands down by the side. Notice the changing sensations in your arm and fingers. The next movement is called harvesting wheat. Take a nice big inhale through the nose. Exhale out and lean forward, palms facing down. Make your hands into loose fists again, as if you're collecting something from the ground. Squeeze the shoulder blades together to open the chest. Raise your right hand up and slowly lean to the left. Then turn your hips and your torso to the left and reach forward, lengthening through the arm. Gaze forward. Release the position, bend the knees and go down. Make your hands into loose fists again and slowly raise up. Repeat the same on the other side. This exercise helps to strengthen the back and spine and makes it more supple. It's also good for legs and balance. Be mindful of your own mobility range. Only bend to a point that feels comfortable. As you develop your practice, your flexibility will improve. Relax the hands by the side. Take a nice big inhale again. And repeat the sequence 2 more times. Keep your breath natural and tension-free. To finish this routine, take a nice deep inhale through the nose and exhale out through the mouth in the center of the body. Repeat 2 more times. Inhale up and exhale down. One more time. Inhale as you go up. Exhale out, relaxing and softening. Take a moment here to notice how your body feels. Observe the sensations inside and enjoy comfort of relaxation. Thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this routine and feel better. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel by clicking subscribe button on the screen. Enjoy the rest of your day and I'll see you next time.